Daya Soria yet in some fufro, a tear for. In Sembiaba, free a year the northern side of the country, to be specific, a year wa. Na a branch here and a picture at the screen in him. Your friend Victus and now Victus, send your best friend piano, but media member on Victus. Victus within your ransom be and then na so aye charge a year de abono attempted murder. Attempted murder and so there obi to me akodemu ache ye. Na asemben one in a year one more etse wa senya medin kan etre wono. Na papa we and Victus he we 35. Ejuma wo ye and say we security man. Now, why we all know say why is the capital of a year Upper West region. Na for the esi and say what person one in a year eda. Osusu say sebe bema ne bema asore or person one in a year eda. Na I don't know what happened, but ne year eka said Dabi she's not in the mood. Sa particular day no one penny Emma sebe nikunu ene no enda chese one penny. Ena papa edi ebufuo say me yere aden na so one penny or say ane one penny me na me dem yes me your yere now so yes my brother me say me penny ena papa edi ebufuo e lock in yere no e share them for several hours say na yere say one man in there until we locking and share them na anso wa papa no ekọ abonten wo dwen asem no hu ye no hu se Dabi se me preduasa eyensemfon se wo ba ono aware no wate ne sika aware no wo pese wo ne wo da wo se wo mpene wate bi da e na wo sanso bie eye epono no ekọ inside e sanso ye se wo ne yeye ne koda e na wo ne yeye ekoda ne akasakasa because ne yeye ne ka se makado se me mpene makado se me nye ade na still sanso e be force me nti ya akasakasa sana na papa no odi ebufuo wode fa aso abroni be friend em say eno na broni be friend axe wode fa axe afi ni yiri ni trim boom etiefo hwa enimu ho na yiri na to fom senia na yiri ni to fom no be hu ne se wewu instant won keka ne ho onya hwe papa ne hu sana ne yem hye no hu se ye medi bone mama mebufuo ama mekume yere because that instant no wonim say weku na yere no wo de born na mama ne to fom ampre wanya hwe instant nti na ne say mama ne wu o si ye medi bone eho na Victus yi odi mirika edwane ye se bibia wo ko hye yo enre mu o se den yo obi enim na when ni na si no it was happening right in front of Omobabema wedi 10 years. So Omobabema no hu sa se ne mame ato form no na ne mame phone nso ato ne nchen. Ni yem hyehye no osu na wo fa phone na wo frɛ ne mame nua. Ni mame nua ba a wo no nso ti area mu ho. Na ne mame nua ba no. Cheza akola no wo yo bi a 10 years na nso hu no se wo smart. O friend ni mami nua ba na ni mami nua ba e de mirika e ba ho a wo mo pe car e fast e de ne to car nim o mo de mami no e to car nim a etiefo wo mo de no e call wa hospital ye say hospital kese bi e wo ho em say wa teaching hospital o se den na won say Ghana ha say no if you are in the southern sector na bibiyo na the area no they will call ebia your district hospital na hu ne say ade aye no very serious they will be call either Kolebu or no they will be call either Kolebu or 37 if you are in the southern sector of the country sanesi but if you are in the northern sector of the country they will be call Konfanoche nti ho na straight you dey to ambulance mu free wa and you dey no ebedu Konfanoche and na me no ka say still ma me no a doctor for bomodin but you see the condition wan hwemu kra na obewu life-threatening wounds. Ena papa no edama eye maame no. Nti enden de kra no still maame ne da konfa no chi a trese. Senia eye we no. Senia ekuro no aye no eye very serious. Now, papa no after 3 days na police for air hwehwe no because we done it. Nti after 3 days ena wono ankasa hu se dabi ade we die I can't run for long. And I will not turn in self in. And my police or the police worker say, yam put the year, show the da. Now, why do you want baby? Quan, you bet you, and a police for channel. Or more, I don't know a court. Arches a charge a de bono. A ye attempted murder. Just say, Boapayo, or ye na drink say, Wokum. A year one casanere. A cheerful. Arewosem na in some way asemo ade bia me meka ene se hwe ye ma bone empin bibia bone edru ende papa na so ayehye because isi anu ye de na akoto remand na court no oni kura wodi asem no ye friend Mr. Sydney Brima ye de papa akoto remand. Sani adena ye no obetumi ada remand for even close to a year ni ye di na asem sa ansana ruling ankasa beba. That is say even before a court ruling beba ne kra no na still oda prison. You see that small anger sa ebufuo kete no eba ya 7 predators ananka wo free ne yere ne nchen wo call ye na keno ano no a anka by this time we near embambesio. A ben said that a ya near the shabonsam and there is the devil, the work of the devil. But you see, me say Nansen adia onipa beyano, even the devil will be surprised. Of share adia onipa ebeya wo de be shabonsam nka bonsam to me kasapa ko beka say hey we die mesrel enye me na mesuma o. I keep on saying this. Mabone empim bibia edru. Hey? See, this is the thing. Yes, or ya woyere. A lot of Ghanaians have the notion say, oh, I will be that means say time be a person wone no edabiano, e was say wone da. No. I was say a mema gas, especially Ghana mema ye sade no efri trim. Me asemo me catch microphone say me wari obi a. Me hu ne say ebia oye me yire nti me ma na djuma me nye ne say me hu ne say da bi eyobi ba e na makwa no abeto me so. Yes, asede bi wo ho a me be ma na o say me ye me nso ma asede oba ne nso asede bi wo ho a so oye den oye. But you see, don't go into marriage with a sense nipa kono wakwa ware nti by force a chinchina enyama bi wonye yes a ware no engina. Sa day no wo pese woni ne da wo se da bi. Wait. Wo hwe na ade a wo taaye de bia wo pese woni ne da wo se da bi de bia wo pese woni ne da wo se da bi a. Wo de atwen try again another time wo se da bi try again another time wo se da bi. And then you tell her say mama de wo ye no mempe o ma ware o me pese me ye da mere wo so so mama enwe. Na wa manati ase say into person me jaw na me kofo obi foforo na wo betie de wo beka obi wo ho a wo kan sa asem na wo no adwen beba ne ho so aka say okay se manfa ma me kunu a wo bekwa kofa wo bi foforo obi nso wo de be ma o se wan fa ma o na wo susu say da bi de wo ye no wo mpe enu hu nti wo bekwa konya wo bebi a me hu ne say it is even better than say wo fa axe e de boni trim ekunu. I am sure say what would you me your bar. Sabin Prediasan, you'd even prefer your husband cheating on you than taking a knife or an axe to hit you. To the point where a doctor for cry, what they call one government hospital, a doctor for cry cancer that be way there so saying. It was say you didn't feel northern region. To near the Bakumase Confornochi. Because Senya ekuro no or the bone it trims any adeni year no, it was too serious for a year war government hospital. So you understand what I'm saying? It's here for Mimi Susu said cheating on your wife is even better than doing this. Yes, nini nanye, but see, and every lady will take cheating than say what they are there the bone it trims say ekuna yaya sa. Very young lady. She's also in her 30s. Wo papa nankasa branch nankasa we the 35. So what is going on? Ha yema boni pin baby aboni edru. Bibi poni bi say sipet na makai ketre kwame adepa. Wose maboni empin baby a edru. Wo yere ye say won ma won re. Na wo hu say ye boni no pe. No one man up in baby edru. O de sa ade no won da fie kra men da fie. O yere no wo yo ba tampa wo no nkasa ne yemba hyehye ne say papa yi mama na rinti na wanda fie. O say next time obema worry. There are some things bia emmema hwe e wo say ye yo. Enye say wo bufu ya no wakofa ade de abo obi trim, wo bufu ya wakwa kokun obi da bi. There are some things bia emmema e wo say ye hwe se ne be no. Ebia na wo ba ne ho mfa no, but wo de wo hu ne se ne ho fa no wia no won pese obema ware a eto de bia emba epe akrokro won pese obe de ho ne me na me ya be ma me na da bi uhia bibi efri ne ho eto de bia fa anode kasade krokro no manenti asie se oh we dear wa mama nwe a chale baby issue like joke make fun ati ase like akrokro wo de won ya oyere. Obviously, only now, inti eyade a woma wore because mo anwe ananka wonwo. Inti kro no, mane hu ne say ni say oh, like on say am ya bema by force I was say me I say me yo kunu. And then mesremo most of the times so me the stories be say ba I want us all to learn from it because me susu say ebia wo kra no wo ti bibi musa. Ebia wo ti aware bia se a and then there ye ka say wo yere wa ye na adwe say wo ma won re but an interest say wo be fa weapon na wo dey aboni team to the point where charge aye dey ball kra attempted murder na che say why adwe say wo kuno murder so dey matremo. It is the biggest offense in the laws of this country. Murder you bet to me the work of for life. Which one do you comment box for me, that's it.